was a really good experience because usually during the holidays we end up doing nothing. This took up 2 weeks of the holidays and I think it was something good. We made a lot of new friends from other schools. We got to socialize with them, and once they became our friends, if we didn't understand certain topics, we asked the seniors for help, and they did help us a good deal. I found it a good experience, and it helped a lot. Like some of the concepts were not taught in school, so I learned new things. Prime helped me learn new stuff. I've never even heard of many of those before, but now I'm pretty okay at almost all of them, and it's pretty interesting. I'm learning something which I haven't learned before, and I get to do it with a partner, so it's really nice. I not only learned math, the office was like a simulation for like a work environment, and both of us also learned to maintain decorum at all times in the office because other people are working here as well. And also, we learned how we actually get the lessons in our schools, which we use, and how they do the animation, and then they like prepare the script and do all that. It was really fun learning all those.